Sending money from Japan to Singapore can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a comprehensive guide to help you do so. First, you need to determine the purpose of your transfer, as this will help you choose the most suitable method. You can send money for personal or business purposes, and different methods have different requirements and fees. Next, you need to gather the necessary information and documents. This typically includes your identification, the recipient's identification, and their bank account details. In Singapore, the recipient will need to provide their name, address, and bank account number, as well as the bank's SWIFT code. Now, let's look at the different methods you can use to send money from Japan to Singapore. You can use a bank transfer, a money transfer service, or an online remittance platform. Bank transfers are secure but often come with high fees and less competitive exchange rates. Money transfer services like Western Union or MoneyGram are convenient but also come with high fees. Online remittance platforms like TransferWise or Payoneer often offer the best exchange rates and lowest fees. To send money using a bank transfer, you need to visit your bank in Japan, provide the necessary documents and information, and fill out a transfer form. The bank will then process the transfer and deduct the fees from the amount being sent. To use a money transfer service, you can visit one of their physical locations or use their online platform. You will need to provide the necessary documents and information, and pay the transfer fee. To use an online remittance platform, you need to create an account, provide the necessary documents and information, and enter the transfer details. The platform will then process the transfer and deduct the fees from the amount being sent. Regardless of the method you choose, it's essential to compare the fees and exchange rates before making a transfer. You should also ensure that the recipient's bank account is eligible to receive international transfers. In conclusion, sending money from Japan to Singapore requires some planning and research, but it can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. By choosing the most suitable method, gathering the necessary information and documents, and comparing the fees and exchange rates, you can ensure a smooth and cost-effective transfer.